The Sigma 10-18mm F2.8 lens offers a remarkable ultra-wide-angle zoom, perfect for capturing expansive landscapes and innovative perspectives with Sony E-mount cameras. Its bright f2.8 aperture allows for excellent low-light performance, making it a superb choice for photographers who need versatility in various lighting conditions. The lens features a 7-blade diaphragm and a minimum focusing distance of 7.1 inches, ensuring sharp and detailed close-up shots. Included in the bundle is a Tiffen 67mm UV protector filter, which enhances image clarity by reducing atmospheric haze while protecting the lens. The Waith camera backpack provides a durable and lightweight storage solution with multiple compartments and a tripod strap for convenient travel and organization. Accompanying the lens is a high-performance 64GB Extreme PRO UHS-I SDXC memory card, ideal for 4K UHD video and high-resolution photography with its robust durability features.